A man murdered his widowed, left with young children. Young siblings poisoned while studying abroad. A case of cancer, relapse and death, just when it seemed that all was going well. These are some sad stories of people I know that illustrate the kind of suffering Paul and other disciples were going through while preaching the gospel. But like Saint Paul, these friends of mine showed resilience and positivity amidst their terrible trials. God's grace uplifted them in their brokenness, despite every challenge. Such strength of character and spirit is not possible on willpower alone, but only with the God's grace. We have this treasure in jars of clay to show that the surpassing power belongs to God and not to us. The more we learn to cling to our Lord and receive His strength and grace, the better we can bear life's highs and lows. The feast of Saint James, patron of pilgrims, reminds us that we have a stronger and more purposeful earthly journey when we are close to God. When Jesus asked James and John, "Are you able to drink the cup that I am to drink?" they confidently replied, "We are able."